This is the Alienware Area-51m R3, and according to Dell, it's not just a gaming laptop. It's supposed to replace your full desktop setup. Sounds bold, right? A portable machine with desktop-class power. But after spending serious time gaming, editing videos, and pushing this thing way harder than most people ever will, I discovered something surprising. It's incredible, but also kind of ridiculous. So is this monster actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it. Alienware Area-51m R3 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Alienware Area-51m R3 is Alienware's flagship desktop replacement gaming laptop, designed for hardcore gamers, streamers, and power users who want maximum performance without building a tower PC. Released as part of Alienware's premium performance lineup, this machine focuses on raw power above all else. We're talking high-end Intel processors, RTX-class graphics, a large high-refresh display, and heavy thermal engineering meant to sustain long gaming sessions. The big selling point? Desktop-level performance in something technically portable. Not ultra-portable, we'll get to that, but portable enough to move your entire gaming setup from one desk to another. Alienware Area-51m R3 Performance. So, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? In real-world use, this thing feels absurdly fast. I use the Alienware Area-51m R3 for everything from AAA gaming sessions to 4K video editing and multitasking with way too many Chrome tabs open, and honestly, it barely broke a sweat. Modern titles like cyberpunk-style open-world games and competitive shooters run at high or ultra settings with smooth frame rates, especially paired with the high refresh display. The biggest surprise wasn't just peak performance, it was consistency. Unlike thinner gaming laptops that throttle under heat, this machine maintains performance during long sessions thanks to its aggressive cooling system. Rendering videos, export times were closer to desktop PCs than traditional laptops. Streaming while gaming also felt stable, which creators will appreciate. But here's the thing, all that power comes with trade-offs. Fans get loud under load, not jet engine loud, but definitely noticeable. And this isn't a laptop, it's a desk machine that happens to fold shut. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features because this laptop is packed. First up, desktop-grade components. Unlike many gaming laptops, the Alienware Area-51 line historically focuses on higher power limits and upgrade-friendly architecture. That means sustained performance instead of short bursts, a huge deal if you game or render for hours. Second, the high refresh rate display. Depending on configuration, you get fast refresh panels that make gameplay feel incredibly smooth. Scrolling, aiming, and camera movement all feel more responsive, which competitive gamers instantly notice. Third, Alienware Command Center software. This lets you customize performance modes, RGB lighting zones, thermals, and fan curves. Basically, you can tune the laptop for silence during work or unleash maximum power during gaming. And finally, port selection. You get plenty. USB-A, USB-C, Ethernet, HDMI, meaning no dongle life. Plug-in monitors, peripherals, and streaming gear without compromise. Design and build. Aesthetically, Alienware nailed the sci-fi gamer vibe. The magnesium alloy chassis feels extremely solid, and the iconic RGB ring on the back instantly makes it recognizable from across the room. But let's be honest, this thing is massive. Thick, heavy, and unapologetically bold. Carrying it in a backpack reminds you quickly that portability wasn't the top priority. The keyboard feels spacious and satisfying for both gaming and typing, and the large trackpad works well, though most gamers will still use a mouse. Overall, it feels premium, durable, and purpose-built rather than sleek or minimalist. Battery life. Battery life is exactly what you'd expect from a desktop replacement. Light productivity might get you a few hours, but gaming unplugged drains the battery quickly. This is clearly designed to live near a power outlet. Think of the battery as a backup, not a primary power source. And yes, the power brick is huge, actually sometimes plural depending on configuration. Mobility exists, but convenience isn't the goal here. Pros: incredible desktop-level gaming and creator performance, excellent sustained cooling with minimal throttling, tons of ports and customization options. Cons: extremely heavy and bulky, loud fans under load. Final verdict. So who is the Alienware Area-51m R3 actually for, and is it worth it? Look, if you're a serious gamer, streamer, or content creator who wants desktop power but occasionally needs to move your setup, this is an absolute beast. It delivers performance that rivals many full PCs while keeping everything in one package. But if you're a student, casual gamer, or someone who travels frequently, this probably isn't the right choice. Thinner gaming laptops offer better portability and battery life at lower prices. Here's the bottom line: the Alienware Area-51m R3 isn't trying to be practical, it's trying to be powerful, and in that mission, it absolutely succeeds.